Hello, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hi, my name is Akshita, and in this channel we talk about beauty, skincare, and lifestyle videos that actually help you to get together your life. So I have 3 habits in this video that will help you transform your life completely, and these habits have actually helped me personally a lot recently. So I thought it would be helpful for you. So let's get started. Okay, so my first advice is going to be a finance related advice, and if you are someone जिसको savings करने में problem होती है and spend बहुत जल्दी हो जाता है, so this would be very helpful for you. And my first point is to think for 48 hours before making any big purchase, big or small, that depends upon you. But if it is something जो आप confused हो लेने के लिए, then maybe it's time to think for 48 hours before you make that purchase, because 48 hours में आपको समझ आ जाएगा that if you really wanted that thing, or you were just intrigued because of the marketing or because someone else had it. My second point is to show up every day, even if it's with your 10%. Like, something is better than nothing, and I have recently realized that it's so important to show up at work, no matter what, to learn your hobbies, to do your everyday tasks. It's so important, because when you are in bed doing nothing, you are draining your 10% energy and wasting it. Like, अगर आपके अंदर थोड़ी भी energy है, just get up and work. Yes, it's important to take rest for a while, but don't be demotivated. Show up every day, no matter what. Now, last but not the least, reflect on yourself monthly or weekly. This is very important. मैं personally I like to do it weekly, और अगर मुझे time नहीं मिलता है तो I like to do it in 2 weeks. But इससे आपको पता चलता है कि आपका पूरे वीक में या पूरे मंथ में आपका क्या प्रोग्रेस हुआ है. एंड अगर कुछ नहीं हुआ है, देन इट्स ओके. देयर आर फ्यू डेज जहाँ आप डिमोटिवेटेड रहते हो, सो यू कैन प्लान अहेड कि आपको नेक्स्ट मंथ में क्या 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 चीज़ें करनी है. यू कैन मेक अ चेकलिस्ट, एंड देन जैसे जैसे होती जाए आप उसको टिक करते जाओ. एंड देन आप वापस जब वीक के हिसाब से अगर आप कर रहे हो, तो देखोगे वीक के एंड में या मंथ के एंड में, देन यू वुड फील अ लॉट लाइटर कि ठीक है, थोड़ा तो प्रोग्रेस हुआ है. वरना ऐसे तो पूरा साल बीत जाता है, एंड देन आपको लगता है कि क्या ही किया मैंने, कुछ नहीं किया. So reflecting on yourself is one of the most important things. And that was it for today's video. I hope you all liked it. And अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छी लगी, then इसको लाइक कर देना. और अगर आपको ऐसी और वीडियोस देखना पसंद है, then subscribe to my channel. We are very close to 200 subscribers, and I'll keep making more videos like this. See you next time.